This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to enable the touch keyboard now. First, open Settings and go to Devices, then Typing to verify keyboard features. This ensures options are present. Next, right-click the taskbar and select Show Touch Keyboard button so the icon appears near the clock. Make sure your Windows 10 build supports the touch keyboard or tablet mode. If not, update Windows. Once done, the keyboard icon is available, and we'll use it immediately to test input in an app like Notepad. Open the keyboard by tapping the new icon in the taskbar and place it where it won't obscure important UI. You can switch layouts using the menu button to pick full, split, handwriting, or emoji modes. This adapts input for different tasks. To tailor behavior, click the Settings gear or open Typing Settings to enable autocorrect, key click sounds, and suggestions. These changes make typing faster and reduce errors, so experiment briefly until the layout and features match how you type. Finish by testing the virtual keyboard across apps. Type in Notepad, a browser form, and a password field to verify functionality and layout consistency. If the keyboard fails to appear, try restarting Windows Explorer from Task Manager or sign out and sign back in. These quick resets often fix icon or process hangs. For persistent problems, open Device Manager to reinstall or update HID and keyboard drivers. If nothing works, run Windows Update, Drivers and System Fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.